I am Ratan Kumar Chandra. I present you the collection of playlets, a divine presentation. The name of the playlet is Save Me God. I tell you the dialogue of all characters in this playlet one by one. I hope you will enjoy it. Sky 3 Sky, let your voice of blessings be as the dressing of the thunder of clouds, whose thrilling sensation creates a sense of bright inspiration to a messenger by the message of fortune. Let your sight of kindness be as the shower of those clouds whose graceful breeze create a sense of admiration to a passenger on the passage of mission. Let the light of your fondness be as the smile of that light whose brightness creates a sense of brilliance to an ascendant to ascend with the success of life. Today, at this place of serenity, I pray to the Almighty with all my peacefulness of mind and piousness of heart, the immortal love which you have given me on the altar of mortality. Let the piety of that love make me mighty by the honor of immortality in life. Madam, my friend, at the door of the Almighty, where I pray everywhere by lighting the lamp of my love, as I light it in your honor, a sign of service and friendship by its flame, for lightening the surroundings in such way, the lamp of my life which you have lit in honor of humanity, you maintain the flame of the flame for the service and welfare of human beings in favor of humanity and divinity. My dear, I am great to serve you as you serve the humanity, because humanity is the root of divinity, where I give the oblation of my pride and power in honor of the hour of my life on earth, so that I can be the fame of God in my life, I can be the faith of God in my life, I can get the favor of God in my life. My friend, I believe the great ambition for which you have dedicated yourself with the beauty of duty and faith. The day will come when you will be awarded by the kiss of fortunate reward. Sky, really, how strange this life is. Here we are on the path of lives, behind which there is prayer of life, with which there is power of life, and in front of which there is promise of life. If these qualities are unmatched one another, it can be the cause of crisis in life, and if these are well matched one another, it can be the cause of glory in life. If we lose patience by following the promise of life, how can we win the lives? If we lose essence by following the success of lives, how can we perfume the lives? If we lose peace by following the pleasure of lives, how can we enjoy the lives? This is the nature of life. This is the challenge of life. This is the examination of life. Whether we are able enough to create prosperity with all our trends of life so that we can blend the color of success in our lives. Madam, of course, I agree with you. We require the great blessing in our lives, the blessing of manliness, which creates courage in lives, and the blessing of godliness, which creates mercy in lives, so that we can achieve the atmosphere of mercy in our lives. My friend, we should go to attend a grand cultural program participated by the renowned artists of national and international level in presence of VIP. I shall make your familiarity with the great audience and you will entertain the audience by your poems. I hope you will get a grand publicity of your poems by the audience and by the newsmen of various views. Sky, really, today I realize the greatness of life, which like the power of that gem which can inspire others everywhere, at every circumstances, whose boundless liveliness has overcome the oneness of your life. And boundless loveliness has overwhelmed all owingness by the kindliness and friendliness of your life. Let the glory of your kindliness and my faithfulness glorify the fame of our friendliness around the world through my works, the spontaneous power of my life by which I bridge the humanity and divinity, manliness and godliness to reach at the paradise of eternal pleasure. Let my works enlighten the limelight of our civilization by your great effort of our divine promotion in lives, so that we can cross the bridge of our lives smoothly and safely on earth. Madam, my friend, generally the views of our lives are limited within our birth and deaths, but my view is unlimited regarding the life beyond the birth and the death, and this is the cause of greatness in my life. As human life commences, the given activities acted by the different character of same life in different birth, where the level of life is settled according to the weight of the soul of life. So I am great not only for others, but for the sake of my life, where patience is the essence of life, and power is the honor of life, and honor is the manner of fulfillment in our lives. The garland which we have made by wreathing the thread of patience into the flowers of your essence for the sake of human beings, it will glorify the neck of humanity as the ornaments for human beings in my set program. Sky, really, Birth and death is nothing except a chance to raise the level of life by our activities on the path of morality, honesty, and divinity for the sake of humanity, behind which there is illusion and beyond which there is seclusion, and in between of these 2 points the unmeasured natural power shows the beauty on the path of duty again and again, turn by turn, silently and sincerely, to maintain the course of nature, for glorifying the source of nature. When there develops a delightful sensation on earth as a lesson for human beings, that there can be the fashion of relation to develop the creation sensation by blooming the lap of humanity for the sake of divinity, the inspiration of which creates power in my life to bloom the hour of pleasure on earth, by my works to lead the stream of life successfully on the axis of mission for my ambition in life by you. Madam, now we should go to attend the program at the stage. My dear friends, today at the beginning of this program, I honor you by the presence of a great poet whose life is a worthy combination of mercy and mercy, where mercy represents the life on the way of mercy, where morality of life is glorified by the divinity and manliness is dignified by the godliness of life, to lead the life faithfully and fruitfully on the mission of making the heaven of lives on earth. I praise the great efforts of poet and hope his willpower for the betterment of our lives in favor of humanity, naturality, and divinity will overwhelm our goodwill to fulfill the mission for our salvation in lives by God. Now I request the poet to say a piece of his works. Sky. My friends, this is a glorious moment in my life that I have got chance to meet with you here, as this is not only my meeting with you, this is my prayer to you as the fruitful penance of my life, the parts of which I disclose to you, as there is difference in every figure, fame, and fortune of us in the game of our lives on earth. In such way there is difference in everyone's game of life who are informed of God for the fulfillment of one's own life being known by God, so that they can be rescued by God divinely from the queue of our lives earthly. That's why God has made a divine honor of the honor of our sky on earth, who bears the witness of the divine kindness of God on earth, by a lesson of the divine judgment of God for the management of the deliverance of our lives in the history of our civilization on earth. My friends, I have given the oblation of my devotion and dedication for my salvation in life by God, from where I have perceived the secrecy of my relation with divinity by my own intuition, which I present to you to enlighten the limelight of our civilization on earth. As the sun rotates itself in its own place clockwise, so there is a rotational gravitation around it which attracts earth to rotate itself in its own place, to take the round of the sun in rotating position, because only a rotating object can rotate another one around it, as the shape of the sun is circular, but the shape of the earth is not circular, which is except having its poles in it. So these poles are being charged by the charge of the sun for being in charge, for being the in charge of our lives. As dipoles, that is positive and negative poles of earth. And as the sun rotates itself in its own place, so these dipoles are being attracted and rotated by the sun consequently, so that earth can rotate itself in its own place to take the round of the sun in rotating position, due to which there is birth and death, male and female, as well as the day and night on earth whole round the year. And by counting of this day and night, we have come to know that earth takes 365 days to take a round of the sun, because it is not possible to count the rotation of the sun due to the bright light in and around the sun, and due to the big figure of the sun, which is near about 30 times bigger than earth, having a distance of 150 millions of kilometers from earth. So we can say that the motion of earth is derived from the motion of the sun, and the sun takes 365 days to take a round in itself. That's why earth takes 365 days to take a round of the sun. My friends, God is the greatest scientist in the universe, and I am trying to disclose the secrecies of the creativities of divine hardware and divine software as the blessed one of God in our lives. The exercises of the dipoles of earth creates an area of the rotational vibrating atmospheric pressure of air for our breathings. The breathings of earth, the breathings of nature, as well as the breathings of our lives, even during the period of sleeping in our lives. The vibrating atmospheric pressure keeps us alive in our lives by the sources of the forces of air of vibrational breathing automatically for the existence and resistance till the deliverance of our lives from earth. My friends, actually, the water is being vaporized by the heat of the sun on earth. As we know that 3 parts of earth is full of water out of 4, so the existence vapor is being rebounded by the rotating dipoles of the boundary of rotating earth for the vibrating atmospheric pressure of air, that is vapor on earth, air for breathings of our lives on earth, due to the rotation of the earth in its own place, which takes the round of the sun in rotating position. The rotational vibrating condition of the atmospheric pressure of air for our breathings are the indications of the rebirth of our lives on earth. So if life is a question, deliverance is the answer of that question. My friends, as 3 parts of earth is full of water, approximately how or out of 4. My friends, as 3 parts of earth is full of water approximately out of 4, So when the earth is in closest position of the sun, the heat of the sun is maximum on earth. So the vaporization of water is also maximum to maximize the growth of the breath of earth, weight of earth and the heat of earth, which develops cloud in the sky to beat down the heat by the rain when the earth starts to create distance from the sun, and the season of life change on earth to make fresh our lives. On earth, when the earth loses the growth of its breath by losing its wet breath and heat in it, while creating the distance of earth from the sun, due to which water starts to turn into ice, and when there is maximum ice on earth, the vaporization of water is minimum to minimize the growth of the breath of wet and heat of earth, and at last the earth is attracted by the sun to regain its heat, breath and weight in it. When the ice starts to melt on earth by the heat of the sun, due to which the vaporization of water increases on earth, and the earth gains its wet, breath and heat gradually while coming closest to the sun, when the earth completes the rotation of its breath, which maintains the breath of the nature and creatures on earth, as well as the breath of our lives for the game of our paradise in the sky during the period of changing the color of seasons on earth, which are derived from the sun, and till the end of the favor of this cycle, our civilization is safe on earth. But when the balance of this cycle will lose its favor gradually from us, from that time on, it will be the period of danger for our civilization on earth, as a lesson of immortality for our mortality due to the vibrating atmospheric pressure of air on us as well as on earth. So we can say it is a lengthy procedure of natural disaster on earth for the birth and death of our civilization gradually, as well as we can say it is a natural way of charging the earth also for its fresh capacity to bear the responsibilities and facilities of our fresh civilization during the course of time on earth, so that we can realize our relation with divinity and we can be enriched by the sense of divinity practically to avoid cruelty in our lives for our salvation in life by God. My friends, our lives are derived from the cycle of the internal relation between the sources of the sun and earth, which are the causes of our existence and resistance on earth, so that we can get our deliverance in lives. So these sources are so sensitive that we feel it in changing of our seasons on earth. When the earth starts to create distance from the sun, trees also create distance from the sun, due to which the period of blooming starts on earth, which bends the trees by creating distance from the sun due to the weight of the growing fruit gradually on the trees, till the fruit mature to be free from the trees gradually, when the trees complete the rotation of its breath by coming again close to the sun in its original position, with the rotation of the breath of earth to regain its breath again before reaching farthest from the sun. Which maintains the generation of our lives for the progression of the nature and creatures on earth. And at last, when the earth is attracted by the sun, the earth starts to come close to the sun, so the trees come also close to the sun. When the period of blooming starts on earth, which bends the trees by creating distance from the sun due to the weight of the growing fruit gradually on the trees till the fruit mature to be free from the trees gradually. When the trees complete the rotation of its breath by coming again closest to the sun in its original position with the rotation of the breath of earth to regain its breath again before reaching closest to the sun. So, this is a divine procedure of presenting the homogeneity of our molded lives and nature in the mold of the atmospheric pressure on earth for the existence, resistance, as well as the deliverance of our lives on earth. And in such way, trees complete the breath of its own during the breathing of the earth. My friends, as we know that earth takes breath and we take breath in such way as we die during the course of time, earth will die also during the course of time, and as we lose our breathings after death, in such way earth will lose also its breathing after death, when there will be no change in the season of the atmosphere on earth due to the cavity of the gravity during the aging of earth, when the dipoles of the earth will lose its sharpness to move around itself in its own place during the course of taking the round of the sun, and automatically the growth of earth will lose its capacity of breathing for our birth, and as a dead one, the earth will be helpless to move around itself in its own place during the period of taking the round of the sun, when the earth will be dead for our civilization, and we will be no more for our civilization on earth, when the earth will pass through the various stages on it, as ice stage, hot stage, and rainy stage, etc., which will be for the unlimited period, the period of recharging the earth by the charge of the sun for recovering its loss till it moves around itself in its own place during the period of taking the round of the sun, when again there will start the period of breathing by earth for changing the seasons of the atmosphere on it, so that there can be the growth of the nature and creatures on earth for the beginning of the journey of the rebirth of our new civilization on earth. So this is a chance of surprise for the prize to those who are in praise of the rays of divine liberty in their lives on earth. So we are the wonderful architect of our lives by the sources of the sun and earth, which are forced to so critically and intellectually that the perceiving of this secrecy can make us free from the weakness of our cruelty for moral illusion and pollution, towards the immortality for the solution of our lives on earth. So, during the period of the favor of the sources of earth in our lives, we and our civilization are safe on earth. And when there will start the period of the gradual disfavor of the sources of earth in our lives, we and our civilization will lose ourselves gradually on earth due to the vibrating atmospheric pressure on us as well as on earth. And in such way, there will be the end of our present civilization on earth when there will start the period of recharging the earth by the charge of the sun for the growth of our new civilization on earth with the motion of the sun and earth for the emotion, creation and the generation of our lives on earth. My friends, dawn and dusk are the masks of our laboratory on earth. So, rotation is the source of the birth and death of our lives. Rotation is the source of the generation of our lives. Rotation is the source of the gravitation of our lives as our sun, earth, and we are related one another, made for one another and complementary one another. So let us be the owner of our lives so that we can be the gainer of our paradise in the sky. My friends, as the diversity of our shapes are derived from the diversity of the shape of earth, sources of earth and the movement of earth, whereas the earth is except, so the shape of the area of the atmospheric pressure is also except on earth. And as our earth is being attracted and rotated by the sun, so we are also being attracted and rotated by the sun within the area of the vibrating atmospheric pressure on earth, which is as the house of the earth by atmospheric pressure for our births, due to which the growth of our lives are also being except on earth, and we move in circular way. As we move in circular way, so we grow gradually to lose gradually on earth, where the existence, resistance and the deliverance of our lives take place, so that there can be the opportunity of being free by God for the fondness of our divine liberty in lives, and we can be free from the rivers of our lives on earth, because God is the creator and ruler of this great automatic divine technology for our civilization and salvation on earth. My friends, our souls keep alive our bodies on earth, which are the parts of air of our atmosphere, as a source of creating our own immortal relation by God in our lives. But our bodies are the product of the mud of earth, so our bodies are mortal because we are in the area of the atmospheric pressure of air on earth as the fishes in the water, which can't alive being out of the water. In such way, we can't alive being out of the area of the atmospheric pressure of air on earth for the recurring process of the occurring births and deaths of our lives. But as God is the creator and ruler of this great atomic divine technology for our lives, so when we will be believed by God, we will be released by God as the stars of our lives in the sky from earth. My friends, as the earth is being attracted by the sun, so we are also being attracted by the sun to go upwards towards the sun on earth according to the shape of earth in condition of the motion of earth for us. And as there are the favor of the sources of earth during the courses of our lives in the area of the atmospheric pressure of our births and deaths on earth, where we are being sandwiched in between the opposite gravitational power of the sun and earth, which is except. So the growth of our lives are also being accepted by taking the round of the sun in rotating position, due to which we grow gradually to lose gradually on earth. So there is birth and death on earth due to the rotation of the sun, earth and our lives, which are complementary one another in the mold of the earth of our lives, where we are bound to take the round of our births and deaths consequently on earth. My friends, it is a natural phenomena which we face among us, which is our fate, which is the lesson of God in our lives, to realize the position of God so that we can create our relation with God in our lives. My friends, the fame of the game of our lives glorify the earth and the sky, where the shape of our bodies are bound by the shape of our parents, and the motion of our bodies are bound by the motion of our parents as the sun and earth. So the civilization of our lives on earth are derived from the shape of earth, sources of earth and the motion of earth. But as the sources of our lives are limited on earth, so the civilization of our lives on earth are also limited, because the sources as inside materials of the earth for our lives, which we are digging from the inside of the earth gradually, that will make the earth empty and enable in future to meet the need of our civilization on earth, and at last the earth will lose its natural values, being weak and sick as aged one, to lose our civilization on it. When our civilization will also be weak and sick for seeking the rebirth in the diversity of creatures on earth due to the lack of the proper sources of our lives on earth. My friends, once upon a time there was the beginning of our civilization on earth, when we have grown up gradually, and during the course of time there will be the end of our civilization on earth. The different picture of the same thing as the birth and death of our civilization and earth. Only difference is the earth is being recharged by the charge of the sun through the diversity of the atmospheric pressure on earth. Our lives are being recharged also by the charge of the sun through the diversity of the creatures on earth, according to the deeds of one's own need, which are the access of the creatures for human beings on earth, as well as the access of the human beings for deliverance in the sky. My friends, at last, let us know the secrecy of the divine science in our lives, as the mechanism and function of our bodies are the sources of the existence and resistance of our lives on earth. The divine science is the science, the mechanism and function and the conjunction of the sun and earth with our lives are the sources of the courses of the existence and resistance and the deliverance of our lives on earth, where the deliverance of our lives are derived from the divine owner on earth, and the divine owner is derived from God in the sky. As the sun is the only source of energy in our lives, which rotates itself in its own place, so there are motion, emotion, and light for our lives on earth. And when one comes in knowledge of the sun on earth as the divine owner, for the lesson of the importance of being divine in lives, through the divine owner on earth, for being free from the cage of the atmospheric pressure of earth, in front of the light of the divine liberty of our lives in the sky. So the incident of deliverance is a divine festival in honor of the coronation of the divine owner on earth by God, when the manner of the divine owner is displayed through the divine owner by the surprise of the gateway of divine paradise for our lives in the sky. A most sensitive and responsive divine chapter for the study of those who are made for the honor of the divine owner and fond of being the divine gainer in lives, a wonderful display of the divine mercy and courtesy for the divine democracy of our paradise in the sky through the divine owner on earth, when the divine bodies as sun, moon, and stars are within reach of our lives on earth through the divine owner for our divine coverage in lives. So, if we don't try to be free from the edges of the cages of the atmospheric pressure on earth, if we don't try to be free from the Jew of creatures on earth, the time will come when our earth will be unable to feed us, and due to the lack of the sources of our lives on earth, we will lose ourselves and our civilization gradually on earth. So let there be the role of the divine goal of our lives on earth, which is beyond from all tricks of alluring God for deliverance in lives. This is a festival of deliverance by God in the world in return of our festival of God in lives. So in this festival of God, the deliverance of our lives are derived from the divine owner in the world, and the divine owner in the world is derived from God the Son, the Almighty in the sky. Because as our lives are derived from the law and order of the government of our lives on earth, in such way the deliverance of our lives are derived from the divine law and order of God in the sky of the world of our lives on earth. My friends, as we are being recharged gradually and continuously by the charge of the sun, so we are being polished naturally, mentally, and physically for the diversion of our lives and earth constantly as the earth grows for growing our lives till the access of the opportunity of divine success for the proof of the divine honor by the judgment of the divine management for the arrangements of our deliverance in the sky on earth, so that the courses of the creations of our lives and the forces of the positions of our lives can be the sources of the divine promotion for the salvation of our lives in the sky. When our lives will be helpless for us, when our earth will be helpless for us, our sky will open the door for us and we will be promoted in the sky from the soul of our lives on earth due to the essence of the presence of the divine owner for being divine on earth, so that we can be free from the rivers of our lives on earth. As our atmosphere is the creator of our lives on earth, so diversity of our atmosphere is the diversity of our lives on earth, where the rays of the sun creates an atmosphere of gaze for the ways of creatures on earth, and we develop as the other creatures on earth as we are able enough to develop ourselves with the foresightedness of the wit of our brain according to the capacities of observing and acquiring the right of our lives in front of our own paradise in the sky. So the diversity of our lives varies from the earth of our lives to the stars of our paradise in the sky. My friends, as the diversity of the mechanism and function of the sun and earth are the sources of the diversity of our lives on earth in such way the diversity of the mechanism and function of our fathers and mothers are the sources of the diversity of our births to draw our lives in the vibrating atmospheric pressure of earth till the physical capacities of our lives failure to bear the souls of our lives, so our souls are derived from the goal of our lives for the generation of our lives by the emotion of the vibrating atmospheric pressure of our lives for our motion on earth, and the situation of our lives are the gainers or losers of the souls of our lives when the vibrating suitable atmosphere of earth is the source of the growing and losing of our lives as we develop and dissolve on earth, so the remainings of our bodies on earth were the sources as the seeds of our lives for the beginning of the growth of our lives. Rest of all are the sources of the diversity of the vibrating atmospheric pressure on us as well as on earth, where the wit of our brain for the existence and resistance of our lives on earth are through the diversity of the physical modes as the male and female for the revolution of the growth of our civilization on earth till the end of the sources of our lives on earth. And in such way, I have disclosed the secrecy of the mercy of the science of divine bodies for our divine relation and realization in lives, so that we can avoid the senseless cruelty for the essence of the ability of divine abode in our lives on earth. My friends, we will not live here forever on earth, because God has disclosed the secrecy of the privacy of love to me by fulfilling the dream of my divine paradise in the sky, as I have lost me here at the cost of my life again and again for the gain of my paradise in the sky, and at last I am proud of God with the pain of my parting from earth, because God has created a fashion of salvation before the end of the ration on earth by presenting me the right of the divine owner on earth, for the manner of the right of our divine paradise in the sky, when the earth will be unable to generate our births due to the aging of earth, as the aging of our mothers, who are unable to generate our births after the sensitive ages of them for our birth, whereas our Son is our Father of fathers, the Divine Father for us, and our earth is our Mother of mothers, the Divine Mother for us. So naturally we will lose ourselves from earth due to the helplessness of the aging of our Divine Mother, the earth, for generating our lives after the sensitive ages of earth for our births. The race of our lives are based on the game of the birth and death of our lives on earth. So we have protected the birth and death of our lives by the diversity of the cages of the water, electricity, and internet, etc., to shape the image of our lives in the cage of the atmospheric pressure for our rebirth on earth, till the end of the blooming capacities of earth for our births, which are the sources of our earthly science in lives, whereas the divine science is the science of making us free, the souls of our lives, from the cage of the vibrating atmospheric pressure of earth, for the goal of our lives in the sky, before the end of the roll of earth for our lives. My friend, as there are the remainings of our bodies after death on earth, which are as the bladder of the seeds of our lives, forming, developed by the suitable vibrating atmospheric pressure of earth as the beginning of the growth of our lives on earth. So we were so ugly and poor physically and mentally in lives due to the lack of the proper physical molds of our lives, while during the course of time there were the diversity of the male and female for the molded production of our lives, which created a surprise of the caliber of human civilization gradually by the lesson of the divine promotion in lives before the end of the ration of earth for our lives. My friends, we can't save ourselves from the mortality of earth. So immortality is a dream which can save us from the same of mortality on earth. So this is a chance of our lives. This is a challenge of our lives, when according to the instruction of immortal paradise, we can avail the surprise of immortality for being out from the journey of mortality on earth. My friends, our senses are being charged by the alertness of our lives, without which we are dead in our lives. So, the overall alertness should be there in our lives to win the game of our lives, as life is a game of mortality. When immortality is the goal of our lives, so our souls should be so great to adjust with the circumstances of our lives. There may be divine circumstances or earthly circumstances where divine chances are rare and fair for the faith of our lives, the faith which is immortal. When the immortality creates link with the mortality of earth for the lesson of our lives, for the fashion of our lives, till our divine promotion by deliverance in our lives, for our divine paradise in the sky before the end of the period of divine performance on earth. My friends, we take a lot of care and compassion for the birth of our lives, but the lack of care and compassion can be the causes of death of our lives. Though the death is a part of our lives, in such way we have taken a lot of care and sacrifice for the price of our life on earth. But the lack of care and sacrifice can be the causes of being hopelessness on earth. Though the death is also a part of the life of earth, as our lives, when the earth will be unable to lead and feed our lives, when we will be mature enough to do or die in our lives, after knowing the voice of heaven, choice of heaven, for the surprise of the gateway of heaven in our lives on earth. Definitely, this is a wonderful blend of our deed and emotion for the divine promotion of our lives, according to the wonderful circumstances of our atmosphere, by the mechanism and function of the sun and earth, where the suitable power of vibrating atmospheric pressure is the source of the beginning and end of our lives, as a chance of getting the abode of God in the sky through the presence and presence of the divine owner, for the opportunity of the deliverance before the end of our performance on earth. How delicate life is hidden our lives in our atmosphere by the vibrating condition of air, which are the sources of our breathings, sources of our awakings, and the sources of our lastings on earth, as well as the source of blooming, source of perfuming, and the source of blending the atmosphere by the efforts of one's own, where our breathings are unseen as God, to be perfumed by the virtues of our lives in honor of the light of the sky, for the manner of being divine gainer in our lives. How wonderful nature is adopted by us for blending our lives with the nature of the sun and earth, where the sun is our father of fathers, the divine father on earth, the earth is our mother of mothers, the divine mother in lives. So the gravitation of our mothers are derived from the gravitation of our fathers, as the gravitation of our earth is derived from the gravitation of our sun, who has exposed me in all over the sky of the world as the divine owner for the manner of the service of divine gainer in lives through the presence and the sense of the divine owner on earth. My friends, our lives are our own identity with which our earth, our sky, and our lives are related. So, our first lesson should be to know the relation of the secrecy of our lives with the secrecy of the relation of our earth and the sky, which can make us healthy, wealthy, and wise naturally. So, the secrecy of our relation with the earth and the sky clears the identity of our divine God, Father, clears the identity of our divine Godfather and divine Godmother in lives by making us devotionally bound for the foundation of our lives during the period of our existence and resistance, during the period of our existence and resistance in hope of the abode of our divine God Father in the sky, from the abode of the divine Godmother on earth. As there is the gravitation of the sun in our lives, so there is the dream of the sky in our lives, as well as there is the gravitation of the earth. So we are being sandwiched in between the gravitation of the sun and earth in our lives, which bears the identity of our lives, which clears the origin of our lives, where the hungriness of our lives are being sanctified by the water of our divine paradise. So God gives a SOS chance to all for their breaking faith about God, when the crown of God is in the sky is adorned on the head of the devotee of God on earth as the divine owner for the manner of creating a farewell of God in the atmosphere of mercy and courtesy, for disclosing the secrecy of the service of divine, for disclosing the secrecy of the service of deliverance in our lives by God, a golden divine period of salvation in the story of our civilization on earth. Madam, really nice. Nice is your prayer of presentation. Nice is your power of inspiration. Nice is the source of creation as the unseen air which creates power from the sky to your serenity through the stars of your poems by thrilling the core of lives, for shining the savor of lives on the way of service in lives. I am glorified by the presentation of your life which has adored our sensation by your divine association in our lives on earth. Sky. Today the decency of your sky has delighted our lives by the shower of mercy, for the courtesy of disclosing the diversity of divine secrets of our lives on earth, whose sensation makes us free from the generation of the rivers of our lives on earth. I congratulate you as the divine owner on earth for the birth of your divine love to God, by the patience of your life, for the essence of your sense of success, which inspires our hope, love, and inspiration, where your presence is as the essence of our sense of salvation in lives on earth. Madam, my friend, as the sun, earth, and our lives are complementary one another for the completion of our lives in condition of the divine connection of our lives in the sky of God, so this time is gifted by God when the divine owner is present on earth for the deed of divine need which leads the journey of our lives to shine in the sky of God by making us free from the rivers of our lives on earth. Sky, I am great for my meeting with you. You have signed me by giving me the chance of disclosing the secrets of the relations of our views of our lives with the sun and earth, which has enlightened the limelight of our civilization in hope of our divine promotion on earth. For the birth of divine foresightedness to shine our lives by our earthly sacrifice for the sake of God in favor of us, so that we can acquire our divine abode, being free from the rivers of our lives on earthly abode. My friend, we are the traveler of our lives. We are traveling from the beginning of our lives on earth with our faith of fortune for the right of divine light in our lives. So during the course of time when we mature enough to draw the mercy and courtesy of God for the secrecy of deliverance in our lives, when the values and virtues of our lives for humanity and divinity are recognized by the surprise of the divine prize of God, time to time individually for our own paradise in the sky during the period of our lives on earth. Madam, my dear, we are the only product of earth who are related divinely with which are the sources of power in our lives. So the power of our lives are unlimited, which depends on us whether we draw ourselves towards the allurement of that enchanting power which are hidden in our lives, which are the parts of our lives, and we are derived on earth from that parts of our lives. So this is the wiseness of our lives. We should try to get the divine paradise in our lives so that we can be divine by our humanity and the sense of divinity in our lives for the oblation of our devotion and dedication. In hope of the presentation of God, so that our lives can be enlightened by the divine light of God, the light which has been lit in our lives as the divine owner in all over the sky of the world, which can enrich us for the divine right of our lives, because the divine owner is the real owner of our lives, who can help us to cross the border of gravitation by his order of salvation for our divine promotion in lives due to our cordiality to him and as the owner of divinity in the sky of the world. Sky, my friend, I am the owner of divinity as an opportunity for the divine honor by the manner of God to the devotees in our lives, where my presence is the presence of divine mercy for the divine courtesy of God till the end of my life on earth, before being out of the reach of earth for my own immortal identity in the sky from the mortal identity of earth. sky. My friend, I am the owner of divinity as an opportunity for the divine honor by the manner of God to the devotees in our lives, where my presence is the presence of divine mercy for the divine mercy of God till the end of my life on earth, before being out of the reach of earth for my own immortal identity in the sky from the moral identity of earth, in which I give the oblation of my devotion and dedication in favor of humanity and divinity, so that there can be the promise of divine security for the divine maturity of our lives before the end of the life of earth for our lives. All my works are there as the stars in the sky of my life for shining the flame of faith in lives, among the fans for the friendliness in lives, where the treasure of my divine pleasure is blessing the limelight of our civilization by the fresh wave of divine dressing in our lives. But even if there develops pain in lives, let us soothe the same of lives by our glory of divinity for the sake of humanity. At that time, if I am remembered by you, ask the stars of my poems my address. I am there with you in your progress. Madam, dear friend, our lives are our own asset to set our salvation in lives by you. So let us make vow not to pollute the flow of our lives, so that we can shape the right of our lives, the right which was ignored by us in fond of our illusion and pollution of earth. Now we should fight for that right of right, the divine right in our lives, to acquire the abode of our paradise, which is a search of our lives, a service of our lives, as well as a sacrifice of our lives, to rise over lives at the height of divinity, which opens the door of our foresightedness for the blessed bliss of the divine owner who is alive in the world, whose identity is possessed by God for the absolute divine command, for an absolute divine command in all over the sky of the world, to kiss the mercy of divine love in our lives, where we give the oblation of our devotion and dedication for our salvation in life, which glorifies our lives by the divine glory, which promises our lives by the divine promises of your paradise in our lives against our earthly promises in life to you. And this is the end of this play. এইটাকে টিপলে হবে এই সাদা রঙের